Have you ever heard of an animal that could cripple an entire country? Meet the desert locust. At first glance, it looks just like an ordinary grasshopper. But sometimes they change. Their color shifts from green to a dark yellow. Their behavior turns aggressive, and slowly they start to gather into a swarm. A single swarm can grow to 4 to 8 billion locusts, stretching across hundreds of kilometers. These swarms travel long distances, devouring every crop in their path. In 2020, they destroyed food security across several countries, from Africa all the way to South Asia. No one knows for sure why they transform. Some say it's triggered by heavy rainfall, others point to climate change. But one thing's certain, desert locusts are known as the most dangerous pest in history.